The layout of this Japanese-style tiny home is thoughtfully crafted to prioritize not only aesthetic but also functionality, efficiency, and comfort. Every element, especially the positioning of the storage cabinets and wardrobes, is designed with precision to make the most of the compact space available. To the home's efficiency are built-in cabinets and hanging storage units, which blend seamlessly into the walls and vertical space. These features maximize storage without compromising floor area, allowing the central space to remain open and flexible for daily activities. Beyond space saving, the design also takes into account circulation and privacy. Two essential aspects is in small homes. Smart zoning ensure that residents can move around freely and comfortably, while also enjoying moments of seclusion when needed. The combination of strategically placed storage and a clean, unobstructed layout makes this Japanese-style tiny home feel uncluttered, breathable, and highly livable despite its small size.